Hello, and here we are again with our hunting game. This is going to be part 2. So we have our bat that is moving around the screen quite nicely and quite smoothly. You can, of course, use whatever sprite you want to be moving around the screen. We need something for it to catch, and I thought as it could be a fruit bat, it can catch some fruit and eat some fruit. So I'm going to now choose a new sprite. So click on here, and I can see the apple, and that'll be great. But let's click on food, because this will bring up all the items that to do with food, and we can see that we've got various bits of fruits. But let's go for the apple. So I'm going to choose that one. Our apple's huge. It is far bigger than our bat. So we're going to make it small, and what we'll do is change the size down at the bottom here to 25. So it's going to be a quarter of the size. And we've got a nice small apple now for our bat to consume. So when the bat finds or gathers this apple, we need a few things to happen. So let's have a go at coding the apple. So make sure you're clicked on the sprite you want to code. So if I want to code the bat, I'll be clicked on there. If I want to code the apple, I'm clicked on there. So here we are, and what we need now is we need to say when the green flag is clicked, and this is going to happen every time that we gather the apple in. So we need to use our forever loop, so it happens all the time, every time we find it. Then we need this if-then loop. So something's going to happen if we touch the bat and the apple together. If they collide with each other, something's going to happen. So we need to put that part in here. So if we go to the light blue sensing, and you can say it's saying touching mouse pointer. Now I can change that by clicking on the little drop down, and you can see we've got bat. So now it says touching bat. That can drag into here, so it goes white as I drop it in, and then you just let go and drop it in, or drag it with your finger if it's on an iPad or any tablet, and drop it into there. So it now says when the green flag is clicked, forever, if touching the bat, then something's going to happen. And the first thing we wanted to do is to disappear, because he's eaten it. So if we now go to looks and come down a little bit, we can see the word hide. So we're going to hide our apple. Then I want it to move. So if I go to this blue here, the motion one, we've got a brilliant go to random position block that we can use here. So therefore the apple is going to disappear, it's going to hide, then it's going to go to a random position, and then we go back to looks, we go to show, and it will appear in a random position. So let's see if this works now. So I'm going to try and get across, and yes, can you see what happened? He ate the apple, and then another apple appeared. It's the same one, of course, but we can see we've already now got a game. It's not a very exciting game, but we have a game. So what I want you to do is have a go at that, and then we'll come back and see how we can make our game more exciting. I'm quite enjoying this myself. Enjoy.